to make this world a world for the science and technology. But the question arises, how can we leave this power in the hand of human? So, for giving the answer of this question, I will discuss some points. First, quality education research. Education is the foundation for any nation. If we leave the power in the hand of youth, then we must provide a good quality of education so that they have the knowledge to gain anything and to do anything. If we talk about our scientists like C.V. and many ISRO scientists, that this proves that India can have the power to do anything. Second, startup and innovation. India is now the third country which is startups and innovation. Today we talk about the world where we can see the technology and scientific knowledge. So for this we have to give it. Our government is also working and give it like Atmanirbhar Bharat, in which a young can do their own work and they are doing their own business also. Moving forward, we will discuss about the digital thinking and scientific knowledge. If we provide the Indian youth to a digital knowledge, we can see numerous changes arises. Like we used to see in our school and colleges that they are using smart classes, which proves that they are student can able to gain the knowledge in a very short period of time, and in this way they can achieve many things. Moving forward, and we will talk about the leadership and the global influences. Leadership, for giving a leadership in the hand of youth, we have to give the.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.